Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we will study GK. So open your books and take a pencil. Open your GK book to page number 24, 25 we will do. So open page number, write CW and date. Yes, open page number 24, telephone etiquette. Write CW and date. Open page number 24, telephone etiquette. Write CW and today's date. We should talk politely. Now what are etiquette? Etiquette means manners. You can write on top manners. We should talk politely on the telephone as our behavior shows how mannered we are. When we talk on telephone, we should talk very politely with manners and answer to the call with full politeness. We must keep in mind what to say and what not to say. Yes, आपको दिमाग में ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि आपको क्या बात कहनी है और क्या नहीं कहनी है. What to say and what not to say. That means you have to think and speak properly. Okay, with manners. Etiquette means manners. Now see what to say, right. These are the sentences which you can say when you are having a conversation on telephone, and these are the points which you should not speak when you are having a talk on telephone. Now see, first we will see what we can say. First one, may I know who is calling? Second, may I speak to Mr. Gupta or so and so person with whom you want to speak? Please, you have to put please, okay? Then third one, could you please ask him to return my call? That could you please, if that person is not available, then could you please ask that person to make a call to me? Then could you please call back later? If you are not able to attend the call, आप अभी बिजी हो, आप फोन पे नहीं बात कर सकते हो, तो देन यू कैन से कुड यू प्लीज कॉल बैक लेटर. आप मुझे थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल बैक करना. फिफ्थ वन, पार्डन प्लीज और आई बेग योर पार्डन. पार्डन मीन्स कोई बात आपको सुनाई नहीं दे अच्छे से, तो आप ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे रिपीट व्हाट यू सेड रिपीट. यू विल से पार्डन प्लीज. पार्डन मीन्स सामने वाला वापस वो बात रिपीट करेगा कि क्योंकि आप वो बात सुन नहीं पाए. पार्डन प्लीज और आई बेग योर पार्डन. सिक्स्थ, मे आई नो इफ यू हैव सम इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क. Yes, if you are talking on phone, then you should speak, use the words may I, please. Seventh one, hello, Divyanshi. This is Ananya. You have to tell about yourself also. I am sorry, I could not take your call earlier. अगर आपने किसी का फ़ोन पहले नहीं उठाया और वो मिस्ड कॉल हो गया, तो when you call that person, you have to ask sorry. All these are the points of good manners. Now we will read the points which we should not speak. They are not good to speak, okay? First one, who is calling? Bluntly don't say who is calling. You should say, may I know who is calling? Then I want to speak to Mr. Gupta. Straight away you will not say I want to speak. You have to use may I. May I speak to Mr. Gupta, please? Third one, ask him to call me back. You will not say ask him to call me back. You will say, could you please ask him to return my call? Then fourth, ring me after some time. If you are busy, you cannot say ring me after some time. You can say, could you please call back later? I didn't hear you what you said. You will not say this. Instead of this, what you will say? Pardon please or I beg your pardon. Sixth one, what work do you have with him? You will not ask कि आपको उससे क्या काम है, आपको क्यों बात करनी है. No, you should not speak like this. You should say, may I know if you have some important work, then I will convey your message. Then seventh one, Why did you call me? If anyone is making a call to you, you will not question that person, why did you call me? Obviously, if there is some work, that's why only the person has called you up, isn't it? So you will say that I am sorry, I could not take your call earlier. So now we can talk. Okay, you can practice these sentences. It is good for you. Okay, now we will move to page number 25. On to next page, page number 25. The world of sounds. In the previous classes, you must have studied about the sounds of animals, sounds of birds. So now we will study about the word of sounds. This is a mixture. Choose the word from the help box that matches the sound made by the given action. Now the picture is given to you and the sounds are given to you in the help box. So you have to match the correct sound with the picture. Okay, so this is tap. So water is dripping from the tap. So here we will write drip, drip. Okay. Second sound is bell. So bell ki awaaz ding dong. The sound of bell is ding dong. Third one, a ball has hit the glass of the window. So when the ball is hitting the glass of the window, the sound comes crack. The glass is crack. So you can write crack, C-R-A-C-K. Fourth one, when you play cricket, the sound of ball when it touches the bat and goes for the shot, it is whack, W-H-A-C-K, whack. Fifth one, when you are hitting a nail with a hammer, bang, you are banging it, isn't it? B-A-N-G, bang. Then when a horse is running on the road, the sound of his feet is called trot, T-R-O-T, sound of the feet of horse. Seventh, if you throw a stone in water, there's a splash of water. आवाज आती है splash, S-P-L-A-S-H. Okay. So understood, all these words are given in the help box. Please write the correct spellings and learn them. Okay. Now we move to page number 26. It is think sharp. You have to use your brains. Okay. It is a series chapter. The series is given. Now if you count, it is 5, 4, 4, 3. When it is not series. Okay. So it is the series of the shapes. Circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Okay. So now next circle. What it will be? 3. So this one. Understood? Now second one. 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. Now in this, first there are 2 white circles, then there is 1 white circle in center, then again white circles. So now it will be black circles outside. So this will be the series. And these are 7. So you add 2 in it and it will be 9. It is a series of 2. 1, you add 2, 3, then you add 2, 5, then you add 2, 7, and then you add 2, 9. So this will be the series. It's very easy. You will do it very easily. Okay. Now rest 4 I am giving you for homework. So you can write on top homework. I explained you the first 2. Now rest 4 you will do in homework. And we move to next page, page number 27. Now page number 27 is make a living. People earn money to make a living. They have to earn money for their living. People earn money doing some work. Yes, people do some or the other work. Your parents also must be working. They have to earn money for their living. Read the clues. The clues are given and complete the names of these people. And you have to complete the names of these people. Now first one, I design houses and buildings. जो house और बिल्डिंग्स का मैप बनाते हैं, they are called architect. So you please write the spelling correctly, ARCHITECT, because there is no help box here. Is it clear to you? So please write spellings correctly. I will send you the PDF, but then also you should write it correctly after seeing from here, okay? Second one, I make jewelry with gold and other precious metals. मैं गोल्ड की और दूसरे सिल्वर की ज्वेलरी बनाता हूँ. So who am I? Goldsmith. 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 Third one. By seeing the picture only you will understand what it is, isn't it? I treat and cure humans. Doctor. DOCTOR. Fourth one, I draw cartoons. People who draw cartoons, they are called cartoonist. 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 Fifth one, I report news and write for newspapers. अभी टीवी में आप देखते हो ना, न्यूज एंकर्स बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड? दे आर कॉल्ड न्यूज रिपोर्टर. NEWS, news. REPORTER, reporter. Sixth one, I look after the safety and comfort of passengers in an aeroplane. Yes, if you have traveled by aeroplane, then you must be knowing there are air hostess in it. If you have not traveled, then also you can see in the pic. This is the pic of air hostess who looks after the passengers in the aeroplane. If you want to drink water, if you want to eat anything, or if you ask anything, all this you can do to a air hostess. She is there to help you in an aeroplane. AIR, air. HOSTESS, hostess, air hostess. Please write the spellings correctly. I am telling you again and again. All the work has to be done in the book only. No making any copy. Okay, thank you.